Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace and source files. In Qgis, set your project CRS to the local projected system so measurements are accurate. Open Google Earth Pro, zoom to the area of interest, and digitize basic place marks or polygons as guides. Once done, export those features from Google Earth as a KML or KMZ file and save high-resolution basemap screenshots if needed. Make sure file names are clear and coordinate settings in Google Earth are standard decimal degrees to avoid reprojection surprises. Now import and align the data inside Qgis. Use Add Vector Layer to bring in the KML/KMZ exported from Google Earth and verify each layer's attributed geometry. If you captured imagery screenshots, open the georeferencer tool and pin control points using known coordinates from your vector place marks. Alternatively, add a Google/OSM XYZ basemap for visual reference. Once aligned, reproject any imported layers to the project CRS and tidy the attribute table so land use categories are consistent. Finish by creating a new polygon layer for land use and add a clear attribute field for category codes. Start digitizing directly over the georeferenced imagery or KML guide. Use snapping and topology settings to avoid gaps and attribute each polygon as you go so classification is embedded. Once complete, run basic QA, check topology, area totals, and CRS. Export your result to geo package and shapefile, then produce a map export, PNG/PDF. If geometries misalign, check CRS and reprojection settings as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.